NerdBots, team number 14353 from Canton, Michigan, and today we are going to show you effective ways to fundraise for your first robotics team.
Our team decided on fundraising events was considering how much time, effort, and income each would require. We considered many things: a lemonade stand, a can drive, and a GoFundMe page. You want to choose something that gets you the maximum income for minimum amount of time and effort.
Anyways, one really good option for fundraising is to consider a GoFundMe page. It is simple to set up, anyone can contribute, and it is easy to manage. We really recommend it since we earned over $1,400. This is our GoFundMe page.
Another option we found successful was the bottle drive. As long as everyone contributes, you can collect a lot of money. Maybe you have 10 members on your team and everyone brings in $50. Your income would be $500, a lot of money considering it could collected in a couple days. We recommend making flyers that you can attach to people's door handles. If you already have a GoFundMe page, put the link on the flyer. That way, if someone doesn't have bottles, they can still contribute.
One of the best ways to earn money for your team is to apply for grants and sponsorships. Our team earned a lot of money from that, and if you agree to put sponsors' logos on your robot, your t-shirt, or your engineering notebook, or go to their headquarters or office to do a presentation, you are sure to get some sponsors. Our team, the NerdBots, got 6 sponsors that we put on our t-shirt, engineering notebook, and our robot.
Another way to fundraise is to create a restaurant event. You can contact a local restaurant. They will tell you a time and date where you can fundraise. You can tell your friends, family, neighbors, and peers to come support your team. You can also hang flyers around your school. This is an example of one of our flyers to a restaurant event. It is very effective, though it takes a lot of hard work and planning. Our team found it quite helpful.
We also recommend sending thank you notes to your contributors. It can be a simple note saying thank you for your support that you sent to a sponsor of the team. This was one of our thank you notes that we sent to our sponsors.
We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you all got some use out of it. Thank you for watching. Bye!